little champion. Hope you are doing great and welcome to Bhanju classes. And I'm very sure you are excited for today's video. So let's go ahead. So we are going to listen to one story, and in this story we are going to one fair. Do you like fair? Yes. So let's go there, and on the way what do we see? Park. So now can you quickly tell me how many children are there in this park? We have only 2 children. And how many trees are there in the park? You can quickly count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 trees in the park. So let's go ahead, and now we have reached there. And the first stall that we see there is the fruit stall. So tell me, do you like fruits? Yes, we should eat it, right? So fruits are healthy. So now you must have heard that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. So now in the first basket, what do you see? Yes, obviously that is apple. So now can you quickly tell me how many apples are there? Let's quickly count in the first basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can see 6 apples. Do you also see 6 apples only? Right? Okay. Let's go to mangoes. So now right to the apples we can see the basket of mangoes. Can you quickly count the number of mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 4. We just have 4 mangoes. Now how many total number of apples and mangoes are there? Let's quickly add them both, and what is 6 plus 4? That is 10. Yes, did you understand? So we can count also, we can add also. We are all set to go. So let's quickly think over this question. Here we need to find how many balloons are there. Now if I see balloon, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's go to next. 14, 15, 16, 17. Looks like these are so many. I am tired. Are you also tired? Yes. So do we have to count it like this only, or there is any shortcut to add it? Do you think we can make our counting easy? Do you want to learn that how can we count these many balloons in an easy way? So this is what today's lesson is about, and we are going to learn counting in groups. Ready? Let's go. So now we were on fair, remember? So now in this fair the next stall is of peanut butter boxes. Do you like peanut butter? I do. I hope you also do. Now let's quickly count how many boxes are there in the first group. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can see 10 in the first group. Now in the second group, if you see, I can see the same number of boxes are there, right? And they are arranged in the same pattern. So this forms another group, right? So now that means this group also has 10 boxes. So let's go to the next one. In the next one also, if I see, again I can see the similar pattern with the similar number of boxes, right? So that means this will also be 10, right? So we can say that here we have 10 boxes in all the groups. In short, we can also say that there are equal number of boxes in all the groups. Now, if somebody has to find what is the total number of boxes, can we do it easily? We don't have to count one by one. What we can do? 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So, without counting one by one, I just looked at the pattern and I figured out that in each group there are 10 boxes, and I added those numbers, and this way I have gotten my number easily. I hope you understood and you liked it too. In the previous question, we were able to see only one item, that was peanut butter boxes. Now here we can see more than one items. We can see brinjals, we can see carrots, we can see cauliflowers, right? So now let's quickly see how many brinjals are there. Can you look at this and tell me how many groups of brinjals are there? There are 4 groups of brinjals, right? So you can see 2 in one set, 2 in one set, and 2 in one more set, and 2 in one more set. So if we have to count, you don't have to count it like 1, 2, 3, 4. No. We can do it like this. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. right? So how many are there? 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So there are 8 brinjals. Easy peasy. Now we will look at the carrots. I can see 2 sets of carrots, right? Or I can see 2 groups of carrots, and in each group you can see 3 carrots. So you can do 3 plus 3, 6. Again easy peasy lemon squeezy. Third one is cauliflower. How many groups are there? You can quickly see. There are cauliflowers in 2 groups, right? And I can say that in each group there are 3 cauliflowers. So 3 plus 3 is going to be 6. So I counted it easily. How many brinjals are there? How many carrots are there? And how many cauliflowers are there? So now did you notice that counting in group has made our life so easy? Yeah. So let's go and let's see what is next. Now you understood that we can count in groups. Do you remember the question of balloon that I asked you? Right? So there we saw that we should not count one by one. That is too time consuming. So here if we see, let's count how many balloons are there in the first group. And I can see that same 3 groups of balloons are there. And we can see that the number is also same. It looks exactly same. Right? How many are there in the first group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I could see 13. I hope you can also count 13 only. Now I don't have to count the number of balloons in the other groups because I know that they are the same group, equal number of groups, right? And I can just add 13 2 more times and we can quickly find how many balloons are there. Now we will have to add the numbers. Do you know how to add the numbers? Let me quickly teach you. Okay. So 13 plus 13. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is 26. And then I need to add next 13 also. So 26 plus 13 will be what? 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we can tell it easily that there are 39 balloons in total. Yes, let's solve some more questions. And here it says there are dash bunches of bananas with dash bananas in each bunch. So what are bunches? Bunches means these group of bananas that you can see, right? And how many bunches are there? You can see 3 in this line, 3 in this line, 3 in this line, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So there are 9 bunches of bananas, okay? And how many bananas are there in each bunch? You can count in just one because we can see that all of these bunches are exactly same and there are equal number of bananas in each bunch. So you can count in just one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 bananas in each bunch. Did you understand how can we count it so easily? You don't have to count again and again, right? So let's go ahead and we will solve one more question. In fair, on the next stall, we see Surbi. So Surbi has collected some seashells and she wants to help her mother in making bracelets and necklaces. Now, Surbi has made dash group of shells with dash number of shells in each group for her bracelet. Now, can you tell me, if you look at all these bracelets, then how many groups are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? There are 6 group of shells. And if we see all the bracelets, then how many are there in each bracelet? Can you quickly count the shells? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see 5 shells. So I will write 5 over here. Okay. So now her mother has made dash group of shells with dash number of shells in each group of her necklace. So let's look at necklace. Can you count how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see 5 groups. And next is how many shells are there in each necklace? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can see 7 shells in each necklace. Did you understand? And I can see that all of these are looking exactly similar. So that means every group will have 7 number of shells. So today you noticed how grouping has made our counting so easy. So now we will quickly look at the next question, that is match the following. Now you can see if you look at these crates, there are 9 watermelons in each of these, right? Now let's look at the first set. Okay, I know that in each crate there are 9 watermelons. So 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 9 is 36. So that means I am going to match it with set B. So let's go to next one. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 9, 36, 36 plus 9, 45 and 45 plus only 5 watermelons, okay? This is not a group of 9. So 45 plus 5 is 50. So that means I need to match it with C. Then the next one, let's look at this. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 4 is 22. So now I am going to match it with A. Did you understand? Yes. So now we can count in groups easily and I did not have to count it all one by one. Yeah. So let's quickly summarize what we did through this video. We talked about counting the numbers in group. So let's look at bananas. Like you can see 3 bananas here, 3 bananas here, 3 bananas here. So there are how many in total? 9. And did you notice I did not count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 because I can see that there are same number of bananas in each group, right? Now the next one is I can see watermelon and 3, 3, 3. So again that is going to give me the answer 9, right? So there are 9 watermelons. So this is how we learned that we should not count one by one if we see that the things are arranged in the groups and on the top of that there are same number of things in each group. Our counting will become super easy, right? And I'm very sure you enjoyed today's class, but in the next class we are going to have even more fun. In the next class we are going to count with blocks, with strips, with cards. Are you excited to learn that? If yes, then join me in the next video. We are again going to have fun. Okay, bye-bye.